Morning everyone, this is Kanupriya and you're watching KP's Motivational Chatterbox. It's my YouTube channel named as KP's Motivational Chatterbox. As we all know that we all are living in the modern society, and for that we really need to be very much impressive in front of others while we are communicating with others. We really need to be very much confident. For that, what we can do, we can present our ideas, we can communicate with others using different phrases, different vocabulary words, different idioms, etc., and many more things. For that, I am coming up with an idea of presenting 5 new English phrases that you can use in your daily life while you are having a conversation with the others. So let's get going. The very first one is my way or the highway. It means do the things in a certain way or you can leave it. Synonyms for this particular idiom is take it or leave it. And the second one is end of the story. End of the story. These are the two synonyms that you can use in place of my way or the highway. For example, my boss is really very choosy and he is really like a my way or highway. And the second one is hard nut to crack. That means something that is very really difficult to solve. Any question, it can be any question, it can be any person that is really very difficult to understand and hard to understand. For that we can use the idiom hard nut to crack, and the synonyms for hard nut to crack are naughty question. K is silent here and KNOTTY, naughty question. And the second one is brain teaser. Third one is puzzler. That these are the synonyms you can use in place of hard nut to crack. For example, IAS examinations are really a hard nut to crack. And the third one is collie wobbles. Collie wobbles is like butterflies in the stomach. It's like a bellyache sometime, and we can say that while you are going to present in front of other, it's like collie wobbles going in your stomach, and it's very hard to speak in front of 100 or 1,000 people. And the synonyms for collie wobbles are hippy jippy, and it's like a belly ache, we can say. So do comment with your example in the comment section below and I will appreciate it. Fourth one is easy peasy. Easy peasy is something that is really very easy to do. For example, if a certain person is expertise in his subject area and we are going to give him a work in his area, then he will say it's a easy peasy thing for me. It's a easy peasy thing for me. And the synonyms for easy peasy are it's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake for me. It's a like a pie for me. And the fifth one is borrowed time. Borrowed time. Hope you people recognize in my last video, and I have used this idiom borrowed time. It is a time that is uncertain. That means it will go for a certain period of time and it will going to last as soon as possible. For example, we all are living in this lockdown period, and this is a borrowed time and it will definitely going to last as soon as possible. And the synonyms for the borrowed time are crunch time and the critical period. Critical period and the crunch time are the synonyms for the borrowed time. For hope you people like it, and do subscribe my channel KP's Motivational Chatterbox and stay motivated. Keep motivated and stay impressive in front of others using these idioms, and stay tuned for my new videos. Thank you and have a nice day.